Well, welcome to Over the Vest Nurseries, where we grow over 2,000 different varieties of trees and shrubs and grasses and vines and perennials. Lots of really good plants, ones that have been especially selected for their performance and suitability for our northeast and mid-Atlantic region. Lots of really good plants to tell you about, and if you're interested in finding out about more of them, can I suggest that you click and subscribe to our channel, and then as we produce videos you'll be able to see them as soon as we post them. Lots of really good reliable plants, including this lovely variety of Weigela. This is Weigela Spilled Wine from Proven Winners. A lovely low growing variety that only gets to about 2 foot or so, spreads out to make a spreading clump that's a little wider than that, say about 3 foot wide, with this really delightful dark purplish foliage that puts on a good show even if it's not in flower. Now, when the plants get established, and these are young bushy plants that we're trimming back to make sure that we got really good shapely healthy plants to send to the garden centers, but when they settle down in the early part of the summer, they're going to produce these lovely hot pink flowers here too. So not only do you get attractive foliage, but you also get these nice flowers that are produced during the early part of the summer. But I have to say that really it's the shape and the color of this plant that probably makes it so valuable for planting out in our landscape schemes. Because it's so low and spreading and tough and hardy and adaptable, Weigelas are well known for their ability to withstand pests and diseases, not be troubled by deer, and also be able to really just adapt to a wide variety of soil types. And that's what makes them so valuable in today's modern landscapes. This is the sort of plant that you could put in at the front of a bed or a border. It's certainly something you could incorporate into foundation plantings. And if you have a bed that's on a slope or a hillside, you could use this as a really beautiful mass of ground cover and know that you've got something that will give you a long season of interest. Bred and selected by Kees-Jan Kraan of Boot Company in Holland, in Boskoop, in the nursery region there. In his retirement, he's dedicated himself to breeding some wonderful trees and shrubs and grasses and perennials. Lots of good plants coming out of that from that dedicated breeding hand. But this particular variety, which was introduced in 2007 from Proven Winners, is one that we think you'll probably want to take a closer look at. This is Weigela Spilled Wine.